what type of clients you would like to work with, part 2. Hi there, this is Connie Zabala, your VA trainer, and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So today is the second part of the 3-part video series about what type of client should you have as a VA. Now, the first one is you must have a client that treats you as a business partner. Now, today I'm going to be sharing with you that your client should know what he or she wants when it comes to business. What do I mean by that? You have to know what type of tasks that the client needs to be accomplished. The reason that clients are hiring VAs because they need help with. It's your responsibility to push them what do they need to accomplish. What are their goals for the business, okay? Your client must have the focus about the results they want to achieve during the rendering of the service. What do I mean by that? I mean, you want a client who doesn't change his or her mind very often. For example, if the client wants to focus on social media marketing, all your tasks must be focused on that. So probably you'll do some content research, you create some posts and schedule it, and that's fine. But you don't want your client to give you another task that doesn't cover the social media task. Like for example, the client wants to suddenly give you email marketing tasks. Like for example, you create emails or you can create newsletters. Now you would want your client to focus on one task at a time, and then once you've hit that goal, and that's the only time you will move from one task to another, okay? You want a client that doesn't change his or her mind very often because you will also lose your focus, okay? And you will not be able to accomplish anything. I hope you find that helpful. So watch out for my third part of this 3-part video series, and I hope you learned something today. And if you like this video, hit like, comment, or share. And if you want to learn more about virtual assistant, or you know someone that would be interested in a VA business, just go to vamasterclass.conniezabala.com and I'll send you the details via email, okay? Thank you for watching my video.